Hello, my name is Luther Ragsdale, broker, CEO of Platinum Real Estate. And I'd like to personally invite you to my upcoming $1 Million Producer Workshop. I'm sure you've heard that the real estate market is changing every day. The National Association of Realtors just lost a lawsuit, changed our market, changed our industry. Interest rates changing, the internet, social media, everything have changed the way we do business. If you are a real estate broker, real estate agent, team leader, you need to attend my upcoming $1 Million Producer Workshop. I want to show you my proven system on how you can grow your real estate business. See, a lot of agents don't have a true system, so they're never successful. They're chasing leads, they're buying leads, they're chasing buyers, they're chasing listings. Those things don't work anymore. Buying leads off the internet, not working. Cold calling, joining someone else's team, hoping that they give you a lead. Joining some brokerage firm, hoping that's going to work, will not work. So attend my $1 Million Producer Workshop. Let me show you a proven system on how you can start your own business, brand yourself, become an entrepreneur, and due to you branding yourself and targeting the right market, buyers are contacting you, sellers are contacting you because of your brand. So you are attracting business rather than chasing business. Let me say that again. It's a lot better to attract business than to chase business. Successful $1 Million producers have systems, resources, and tools in place to succeed. I want to show you the correct tools, the correct system, so you can build your business. Register at lutherragsdale.com or click the link right here in this video. But you have to register because space is very limited. I do have vendors, guaranteed rate mortgage, just one of my vendors who have made the investment so you can attend for free if you are one of the first 100 registrants. After that, the investment is $299. So take action and register today at my website, lutherragsdale.com, or click the link within this video. I am Luther Ragsdale, broker, CEO of Platinum Real Estate. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you, and may God bless you.